بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. صلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين. I'm going to start with the practical sides we have started with, because we fully understand the current circumstances, difficulties, problems that have been mentioned and kept mentioning about the problems and the negative points within the universities, within education sector. But now we are, as a University of Benghazi, a committee of promoting University of Benghazi international ranking, we started with the positive points. We have adopted a bottom-up approach for continuing professional developments before we start looking for our international ranking and quality and assurance. So we've started our work at the beginning of this year. So we've started with different ideas and different plan based on our readings and based on discussions, teachers support group, people's and managers support group, and we came out with a clear idea and a clear plan of what we are going to do within the next coming months until the end of this year. So the first thing we did, we reconstructed our website to enable us to provide services for all our students, staff members, and also for the international community to understand what's happening within the University of Benghazi. And also we aim to, when we restructured our website, is to provide higher quality and services for our students in terms of registrations, in terms of understanding, in terms of announcements. And because of our security reasons, to some extent, we announced to the students and we provided some help through our website. And we started our plans and our ideas toward linking and contacting international institutes regarding to ranking. So we learned that there are different institutes regarding to ranking. For example, the Times International Ranking. So we started to contact the Times International Ranking, and they provided us with their criteria of ranking universities. So we realized that we are missing very important thing. We already have it, which is the research and citations and our staff publications. So we have designed University of Benghazi knowledge base. Instead of just registering our university staff member publications, we have designed our own, and this is this database, our knowledge base. This is the only database in Libya so far. We have just designed this at the beginning of this year. So this database enabled actually our staff members to register all their publications, their laboratories results, and even their PhDs and dissertation, MA dissertation or MSc. And also now we have gotten more support from the university and even from interested people, as well as from our students all over the world. And they started to contact us through our website and through our services. They are looking forward to link our universities. And also we linked the knowledge base with the ResearchGate and Google Scholar through. We provide them our code of this knowledge base, and they provided us their codes. So any person from University of Benghazi would like to register his or her publications, it will be mentioning how many citations have been cited. Also, it helps us for promotions and it helps teachers for promotions. Also, this website, within short area, as I said, since the beginning of this year, we have uploaded 23 faculties, course descriptions, and study plans, as well as 2,300 of our staff CVs, which helps other people to understand who we are. I think, yeah, which helps other peoples and which helps other people to understand the teachers and maybe to contact them. And in next stage, we are designing self-pages for our staff where they can write their interests and they can be connected with their fields or with their audience. Also, now we are running a project with the Thomson Reuters in terms of research projects, and also we are trying to push the medical sector with the Thomson Reuters, and now we started to get help, and the next stage of our project is involving our scholarship students and postgraduate students to provide their projects and their certificates within our research projects, and we will announce very soon about that. What we have achieved so far, I meant by so far since the beginning of this year. Registering 2,300 out of 3,000 staff CVs within their 23 faculties, which is faculties of University of Benghazi, which also includes the course descriptions and study plans, starting the UOP electronic library, and because of the temporary close of the main building of our library, only the building, because the library is working now on other building in the university, we brought about 1 million electronic book, and now our books are available for our students, and each and every student can enter and access with username and password with all parts. We are now the first university in Libya in terms of web spread, according to Alexa and SEO Web Analytical Organization. We activated the online registration, and this is a very big project. According to different systems of registrations, we have most of our portals now, they are working, especially for Faculty of Economy, which includes the huge number of students, which are above 22,000 students. So all those students, they are registering now online, and they get their results online. And most of the other faculties, they have their own portals. And according to the new students, we have activated the SIS system, which is Students Information System, where all students, they get their schedules, their programs online, and they are connected with their supervisors and course supervisors. We are working, all our work is for two results, and also for giving a chance and facilitate our students with information, as well as facilitate the situation of learning. We are adopting continuing professional development approach of developing our university gradually according to the current circumstances and according to the budget we have, according to the overall situation. So we are following gradual steps of professional developments. So the first achieve, inshallah, we will have in August, according to Wipometrics, and also with the Times International Ranking, so in October 2014. Coming steps, we started actually with encouraging medical education to run a committee called Medical Education Committee, because we've got feedback from students about the way that the knowledge delivered to them from some of the teachers who are missing or have weaknesses in teaching methodology. So we have now we are running teacher support group even online. We are inviting some of our students abroad to provide presentations and upload it within our services. And also medical education committee, they run there and invite people to come and present teaching methods and how to convey and deliver ideas to the students. Online courses, we started with two departments, biochemistry and mechanical engineering, to implement blended learning and Moodle learning, where students can can work with their teachers, FTF, which is face-to-face and or online for their assignments and stuff. Also, we are looking to wider students and staff online link and international universities. I spoke with different international universities regarding to provide us with their consultancy and to invite them for online or video lectures, and we provide them with case studies and data collections, and we are started to rise sense of research, especially we have a research and consulting center, and they have got their budget from the university, and they started to encourage and to think and to guide teachers for their development of research. Implementing technology such as blended learning, as I mentioned, and distance learning. We are trying now to raise the sense of distance learning, and now we started to help nursing faculty for widening their attitude toward the importance of nursing, and we invited them to attend several online lectures and workshops. University has a little fund, and according to the law by the Ministry of Higher Education, they are funding some research, and we are looking to encourage them in our coming steps to focus on funding research, funding conferences and workshops. This is one of the main parts of continuing professional development and upgrading of our attitude toward developments and toward looking and starting from problems and circumstances to better situations. We are looking also to encourage for exchange program for students. TAs means the teaching assistant staff and researchers, and that's what we are doing so far.